Successful affiliate marketing, tips, tricks, and advice. Affiliate marketing refers to the practice of businesses supporting each other through individual marketing programs or advertisement. In a successful affiliate program, businesses receive tangible benefit from referring customers to another business, through their own site or advertising channels. Read the following tips for ways to create or leverage an affiliate marketing program for your own business. Use the internet to check the history of an affiliate program prior to signing on with them. It is so important to know who you are working with so you do not find yourself frustrated and angry about not getting the money that they owe you for selling their products. To get the most out of an affiliate marketing program, it's vital to know your audience. Find out why people are coming to your site and what they are looking for. Provide affiliate products that meet their needs. Focus on things that are relevant to your site and are more likely to catch people's attention. If you want to make more money with your affiliate marketing, write reviews for the products you promote. Make sure you mention any flaws so that you do not lose your credibility or make your readers think that you will do anything to make the sale, even lying about the product. To increase profit, try to be as unique as possible when you are writing the text of your website. The more individualized you are, the better chance that you have to stand out from the pack. This will result in an increase in sales and more credibility for your organization. As stated above, affiliate marketing can be an incredibly powerful way to improve your own sales and reputation with consumers. By becoming part of a strong network, you can provide your customers with reputable products and services complementing those you offer. At the same time, becoming part of a network ensures that you also benefit from your referrals. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.